What if the greatest secrets to perfect bread weren't new inventions, but ancient wisdom we've forgotten? For centuries, medieval bakers craft loaves with incredible flavor, texture, and shelf life using methods that modern industry has all but erased for the sake of speed and convenience. We're about to uncover 4 of these lost arts, revealing a world of baking you never knew existed. Prepare to question everything you know about your daily bread. First, the very soul of ancient bread, the wild yeast culture. Long before commercial yeast came in convenient packets, bakers were masters of microbiology without knowing it. They simply mixed flour and water and let it sit, inviting a symphony of naturally occurring wild yeasts and bacteria from the air and the flour. This living starter wasn't just a leavening agent. It was a complex flavor engine, creating the signature tangy, deep taste that is impossible to replicate with commercial yeast. Next, a technique of brilliant practicality, the old dough method. Instead of maintaining a separate starter, a medieval baker would simply save a piece of dough from the current day's batch to leaven the next. This small piece of fermented dough held all the power of the starter. It was mixed into the new batch, kickstarting the fermentation process. This method not only leavened the bread, but also added a profound depth of flavor and improved the dough's structure. As towns grew, so did the collaboration between trades. Enter our third method, using barm from beer brewing. Bakers discovered that the frothy, yeast-rich sediment from the local brewery could raise bread with more speed and predictability. While it was still a natural culture, it was more aggressive and less diverse than a true sourdough starter. This shift began to favor speed over the slow development of complex flavors. Finally, a method born of necessity, acidic fermentation for rye breads. Rye flour is notoriously difficult to work with. It's low in gluten and high in enzymes that can turn the dough into a sticky mess. Medieval bakers in Northern Europe knew the secret, a highly acidic sourdough starter. The acid neutralizes these destructive enzymes, allowing the rye bread to set properly. It wasn't just about making the bread rise, it was about preventing its complete collapse. These 4 methods show a deep, intuitive understanding of nature that has been traded for industrial efficiency. We gained speed, but we lost flavor, nutrition, and a connection to our food. Which of these ancient methods fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you believe ancient wisdom still holds value today, subscribe for more lost knowledge.